You don't have to be an experienced landlord to understand your basic maintenance responsibilities. Keep the property safe, keep the property habitable. Those are the basics, but we know you probably want to do a bit more than the legal minimum when it comes to maintaining your investment. Here are some of the things you need to think about when you're meeting your maintenance responsibilities. You need a budget. Set aside some money every month when you collect rent for current or potential repair issues. What you save will depend on your property's age and condition, but remember, it's better to have more than you need in that reserve account than less. Good vendors are everything. Having the right relationships in place could mean the difference between a $200 repair that's completed in 2 days and a $1,000 repair that takes a week. You'll need a good handyman for basic repairs and a network of licensed and insured vendors for complicated matters. Preventative maintenance plans save money. Don't set yourself up for expensive emergency repairs. Focus on preventative maintenance, especially on expensive systems in your investment home. You'll save money and protect the condition of your asset. Educate your tenants. Residents need to know that you take maintenance seriously. Train them to report repair needs right away and provide a detailed and documented process for them to make their maintenance requests. Professional property managers are particularly good at managing maintenance and ensuring your property is protected. For some help, please contact us at Action Properties.